Hey everyone, Chris with the Kentucky Woodsman channel. Today we are hiking the Tanglewood biking and hiking trail near Whitesburg, Kentucky. We're actually going to go check out the old railroad tunnel at Tunnel Hill. You can see fall is in full swing and the leaves are falling along with a little bit of color left. Let's go check things out. As I said, this is an old railroad tunnel. They just recently opened up here on the Tanglewood Trail, which is a hiking and bicycling trail that they hope to eventually take all the way to the top of Pine Mountain above Whitesburg. Pretty neat trail. If they ever get it completely finished, it'll be a really cool trail. This tunnel was sealed up for several years until they decided to open it for the trail. And I'm glad they did. Pretty cool, I must say. Waterfall coming off the rock face here. Could you imagine the stories this old railroad tunnel could tell? Not super long. But they have black topped it through here, which makes it very nice for bicycles especially. I could still see pretty good, but the camera was getting very, very dark. So I turned on the flashlight in hopes of brightening things up a little bit. And as you can see, the trail goes back to a gravel trail. Shortly on the other side, and goes by the North Fork of the Kentucky River.